some serious business here. I have never in my life worked with farm equipment. OMG. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following instruction, but that was a heavy piece of furniture. Not furniture, farm equipment. We needed to get out of here because we're cleaning out the back of this building. Where? Put it in the back? What? I don't know. I mean, what in the world? I don't know what I'm doing. We live and we learn. I'm a farm girl. In training. I can't believe Chris knows this stuff. This is crazy. And scary. Big farm, geez. Equipment. And working with nuts and bolts. And tires taller than me. So we're moving a bunch of this farm equipment out here to the field as we continue to clean out the back of the building. So now I'm going to run down there and help Chris unhook that piece once he gets it lined up where he wants to drop it off. Holy cow. Wow.